नमस्कार। विविधताओं से भरा हमारा ये देश है जहां हर थोड़ी दूरी में बोली बदल जाती है, वेशभूषा बदल जाती है, संस्कृति बदल जाती है, लेकिन दो चीजें नहीं बदलती। एक तो क्रिकेट की दीवानगी और दूसरा हिंदी फिल्मों या देश की फिल्मों के लिए हमारा प्रेम। ये फिल्में कभी तो हमसे प्रेरणा लेती हैं और कभी हम इनसे प्रेरित होते हैं। But there is no doubt that Indian cinema has been a vehicle of change right from the freedom movement to now, when India soars towards new skies of progress. Storytelling on the silver screen has changed and excelled thanks to the technicians that include writers, directors, cinematographers, editors, and actors, each person in his own right who has made cinema the fine art and craft of storytelling. The National Film Awards honor the glorious story of India's cinema. These are the highest awards in our country and therefore the most prestigious. The awards are being conferred in a short while from now here at Vigyan Bhavan by the Honorable Vice President of India, Shri M. Venkaiah Naidu. Normally, these awards are given on the 3rd of May to mark the release of India's first film, Raja Harishchandra, which was directed by Dada Saheb Phalke. But this year, the awards are being given in the middle of December, the time of the famous Dilli Ki Sardi. But there is no dampening of the warmth and enthusiasm of the award winners. My colleagues Amit and Priyadarshini are on the red carpet trying to catch the awardees as they arrive and to talk to them for a moment or two.
नमस्कार 66 नेशनल फिल्म अवार्ड की रेड कार्पेट पर इस भव्य समारोह में आप सभी का स्वागत है।
Well, it's time to recognize excellent cinema and galaxy of creative people are descending here, right here on the red carpet.
Yes. And Amit, can I ask you a question?
Yes, please.
Well, when you talk about Indian cinema, what all come to your mind?
The magic of cinema that impacts each of our lives.
Well, you're right, but for me, and I'm sure most of you would agree with me, it's all about entertainment, entertainment, and entertainment.
And to celebrate the magic of cinema, every year National Film Awards are given away in different categories, including feature films.
Non-feature films.
There's award for best writing on cinema, and also the beautiful state of Uttarakhand will get the honors for being the most film-friendly state.
I think the weather of Uttarakhand has impacted Delhi also because it's freezing here.
So Priyadarshini, in this freezing cold, can I ask you a question?
Only if it's a warm question.
So tell me, how would you describe the feeling of being on red carpet?
Well, I'm so excited because I'm actually curious to know जो लोग जो सितारे आज रेड कार्पेट पर हम देखेंगे वो जनरली लोग उनके फैन होते हैं, लोग एंग्शियस होते हैं, जिटरी होते हैं उनसे मिलने के लिए, लेकिन क्या वो भी नर्वस हैं आज विज्ञान भवन की सीढ़ियों से चलकर जब वो नेशनल अवार्ड ग्रहण करने जा रहे हैं?
So absolutely, stage is set for the 66th National Film Awards here at Vigyan Bhavan, New Delhi. Are you ready to walk along with us on the red carpet? Well, we have Mr. Ravi with us. Sir, a very good morning to you. Your thoughts on the Film Awards and the way Indian cinema is progressing?
First of all, I add on to that, I'm Major Ravi, a retired army officer, and I was a jury chairman for the Northern Films, that Hindi, Sanskrit, and English. It was a Herculean task. Why? Because going through all this much films within that stipulated time, we keep watching at least 5 films a day.
So you're in the jury for best writing?
Without getting into any controversies, announcing the award, that is a Herculean task. So anyway, we had so much of support from the organizers. And then finally, today we are a very relaxed mode. No tension, nothing. But when you select the films, that's the time the maximum tension happens. Why? Because nothing should go wrong. The deserving person should get it.
Yes.
Sometimes you think that that person deserves it, but then they don't know that there is a better deserving person the other side.
Absolutely.
So that is the place where we, the jury chairman and the members, come in and we take a neutral stand. And we are very happy that this function is happening today. And I wish everybody, all the winners and the organizers, all the best. And God bless you all. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Major Ravi. Jai Hind. And as Major Ravi said, that we like to express gratitude to all the jury members for selecting the winners in different categories.
Well, we have Shri Utpal Borpujari with us, who is chairman of the jury for Best Writing in Cinema. Welcome, sir.
Thank you.
Well, this year we have seen that beautiful films have won, and I'm sure it must be a tedious process. What all other things do you guys keep in mind while selecting the films?
My jury selected the winners for Best Critic and Best Book on Cinema. So we were 3 members in the jury, Mr. Mohan Raman and Mr. Yatindra Mishra with me. And we had a collection of write-ups from various critics from all across the country and also a large number of books. So what we did was we met and then we read and then we again met. A lot of discussions, debates and all that. And that's how we came up with the winners. And I must say that the winners, the winning entries are quite interesting. And a lot of other entries were also very interesting, but since it's a competition, you can choose only one winner.
Yes.
So, but we have winners from Kerala, from Bombay, from Delhi. So it's a pan-India winners list this year. I
Well,
can say.
thank you very much. I'm sure it's a tough task, but we have got some beautiful winners who have won this year. Thank you.
Well, one of the biggest hits in 2018 was Badhai Ho. And it's time to say बहुत बहुत बधाई to Amit Sharma, the director of the film. We've got Alia, the producer of the film, Amit's father. Many congratulations.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
It was wonderful film, and Surekha Sekhri ji is getting the best supporting actress. Badhai Ho has also got the other awards. How do you see the success of the film?
I'm overwhelmed. As in, I did not think that we're going to be getting so many awards, and critics have loved the film, audience have loved the film, and this is cherry on the cake. So I'm really happy.
और जो सब्जेक्ट था, तो शुरू में जब बधाइयाँ आई तो हमें भी लगा कि शायद आयुष्मान के बेटे की बधाई होगी. फिर जब ये जो कैरेक्टर नीना जी और गजराज जी ने किया, क्या भारतीय सिनेमा 2019 से अब जब 2020 में हम जा रहे हैं, नया पैटर्न है, नए विषयों को आप ले रहे हैं बतौर प्रोड्यूसर, क्या इस विषय में रिस्क भी था?
तो मैं कहूँगी कि इट्स अ वेरी गुड थिंग कि अब कमर्शियल सिनेमा और एक आर्ट सिनेमा या ऑफबीट सिनेमा को जैसे अलग तरीके से देखा जाता था, ऑडियंस इज ऑलरेडी सेड दैट वी लाइक टू वॉच फिल्म्स व्हिच आर गुड.
यस. और अवार्ड लेने आज अमित शर्मा आए हैं, लेकिन पिताजी को कितना गर्व है उन पर?
हाँ, I can say I'm very much proud of my son. So I'm overwhelmed by this.
तो एक बार तीनों मिलके बधाई हो दे दीजिए दूरदर्शन के दर्शकों को भी.
1 2 3
बधाई
हो.
Badai ho.
Thank you very much. Thank you. We've got a young actor. Ma'am, this is a young actor. तलहा, हामिद पिक्चर में अपने किरदार के बारे में बताइए.
जी उसमें एक बच्चा होता है जिसका फादर खो गया होता है. वो 7 साल का बच्चा होता है. उसकी मूवी में पूरा यही दिखाते हैं कि वो उसकी जर्नी वो पूरी दिखाते हैं कि वो कैसे अपने फादर को ढूंढता है. वो 786 डायल करता है एज गॉड नंबर, वहाँ पर एक सीआरपीएफ का जवान उठाता है.
इस समय दिल्ली में जो सर्दियां हैं, श्रीनगर की सर्दी याद आती होगी आपको?
जी बिल्कुल, लेकिन श्रीनगर की यहाँ से थोड़ी ऊपर सर्दी है.
पिक्चर भी वहीं शूट हुई ज्यादातर?
जी सारी पिक्चर श्रीनगर कश्मीर में ही हुई है.
और आप 11 साल के हैं, इतनी अच्छी एक्टिंग करते हैं और मैथमेटिक्स के बहुत शौकीन हैं आप.
जी हम मैथमेटिक्स से बहुत बड़े शौकीन, जैसे मैंने आपको कल कहा था.
तो मुझे बताइए अपने आप को 10 में से कितने अंक देंगे आप बतौर चाइल्ड एक्टर?
जी वो मैं नहीं, वो आप बोलिए.
बहुत बढ़िया. ये जो अवार्ड आपको मिल रहा है वो बता रहा है कि आप बहुत अच्छे एक्टर हैं. बहुत बधाई आपको. बहुत शुक्रिया.
Well, we are delighted to have veteran Rahul Ravel sir with us, who is chairperson for the jury for Best Feature Film. Welcome, sir.
Thank you.
So we would really like to know what are the basic things, the most basic things you see in a feature film while deciding which would be the best film.
I guess the overall quality.
Yeah.
So that's a large spectrum, but that's the way it goes.
When you talk about story or technical aspect of which takes over each other.
It's all together.
Okay.
It's all amalgamated into one.
All right.
It's not the individual.
Thank you so much, sir. We also have Priya Krishnaswamy, who is here with us for her movie Baram. She's won National Award. Well, welcome, ma'am.
Hi.
Well, tell us about your movie, Baram. We're so excited to know about it.
So we're very happy. We won the National Film Award for Best Tamil Feature Film. So we're like delighted to be here.
Well, if I'm not wrong, this is your second national award. What is in the pipeline next? People are actually anxious to know.
I hope we get to make my martial arts film. We're looking forward to that.
Any last words on winning national award and how important this award is for you?
It's hugely important. It focuses on the film and it brings a little attention to us. And I think small, different films kind of need this kind of exposure and encouragement. And we're very grateful for the support. And we're very grateful to the juries. And we're very grateful to having won this.
Thank you. Please keep inspiring women and keep making these unheard stories for us and for all our viewers. Thank you.
Thank you.
और अब रेड कारपेट पर हमारे साथ हैं शिल्पी गुलाटी, जिन्हें की बेस्ट एक तरह से बहुत अच्छा आपने निर्देशन किया है। तालत ए कुंजी फिल्म का आपको अवार्ड मिल रहा है। आपकी फिल्म सोशल इश्यूज पे है। सबसे पहले फिल्म के बारे में बताइए।
ये फिल्म बेस्ड है पंजाब में एंड इट्स अबाउट द आइडिया ऑफ लव बिटवीन recovering addicts and their wives. So I'm looking at a issue of drug addiction in Punjab and actually recovery from drug addiction in Punjab.
So help us put into perspective the name of the film, Talat e Kunji.
It's a Punjabi title. It's called Talat e Kunji. In English, it means lock and key. अब इस situation में कहाँ ताला है और कहाँ कुंजी है? What has to be unlocked and what is for us, all of us to what will that lock reveal is what I think.
And I have two viewers of your films who happen to be your parents as well. Your first reaction when you watched the film?
It's a very, very aspiring movie, and one can learn a lot. The drug abuse, they can easily recover after seeing this movie. They get inspiration.
And fathers are always, very special to daughters.
Yeah,
but now with this film, daughter has become even more special.
Yeah, definitely. She was always special to me.
और मम्मी की क्या feelings हैं?
Very proud moment for us. Today I am very happy.
Thank you very much. So that's Shilpi. She has made a film Talat e Kunji on a very important social issue.
Well, we have Manju Bora with us. She's winning a national award for the 6th time for her movie, The Land of Poisoned Women. Welcome, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Please tell us something about your movie.
It's a film made in a language called Pangshenpa on the community of Pangshenpa living in the Arunachal Pradesh. And it is the bordering state of India and China thing. And I am very happy and proud that I could represent this community to the world of, audience, so that they come to know about this.
What do you have to say about, such films coming into mainstream? A lot of, vernacular languages are taking mainstream now.
Yeah, not only language is a prime thing. There is anthropological value also. Yeah. And the place where they are living is very difficult terrain and all. How they are working for the country, how they are safeguarding our country. That is one thing. Then other thing is how women are being, being neglected and always. It is about custom. It is still prevalent in the society that women carry poison on their nails. And, women are always given lower status in the society and they have to suffer a lot. I'm giving
last words on winning the national award for the 6th time.
This is my encouragement because coming from northeastern region and being able to make films on those people, their political, their linguistic and their social status, I'm very proud that even in national and international level, I'm getting recognition, and it is my pride with my team members, and I'm really congratulating without my crew members and the local people, this would not have been
Thank you so much for speaking to us, ma'am. Thank you.
So much. Thank you.
और अब हमारे साथ हैं चाइल्ड एक्टर शिरीन निवास, जिन्हें नेशनल फिल्म अवार्ड मिल रहा है उनकी पिक्चर नाल के लिए। कैसा अनुभव रहा इस पिक्चर का?
बहुत अच्छा, वहाँ का मतलब एटमॉस्फेयर और उस मिट्टी में का वो उसके अंदर जाता और नदी के अंदर में खेलता, उसमें बहुत मजा आता।
बहुत बढ़िया, हमें भी आपकी एक्टिंग बहुत अच्छी लगी। आपकी मम्मी से पूछेंगे। अर्चना जी, नाल मतलब अम्बिलिकल कॉर्ड जो कि माता और शिशु को जोड़ता है, क्या कहेंगी? बायोलॉजिकल मदर हो, अडॉप्टिव मदर हो, माँ की ममता तो रहती है।
बराबर है, रहती है, दोनों ममता सेम होती है उसमें कोई फर्क नहीं रहता
जी। और बेटे का प्रदर्शन जो आपने देखा, आज चाइल्ड एक्टर का अवार्ड मिल रहा है, पिताजी क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
बहुत फील प्राउड हो रहा है और अपने लिए गौरव की बात है
जी। और आपको और